My purpose is to help good people do great things for the greater good. And it's purposely broad because that could be a lot. Right now, it's baseball. Myself and Lark and John and Mariano came together and formed Baseball United in November of 2022.
Most qualified owners group in the history of any sport. I mean, we're not saying that as a catchphrase, it's actually true on paper. We're setting a standard that we want to achieve greatness. It's actually necessary for what we're trying to do.
Every detail matters. If somebody tells you differently, they never f***ing built anything.